How to fix dating not showing on Facebook app. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the source icon and search for Facebook. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to your home screen. Now open up settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Now tap on app management and search for Facebook. Now tap on force stop. Now tap on storage usage and tap on clear data. Now tap on delete and restart the application. If it's still not showing up, maybe Facebook dating might not be available in your region. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.